You see the problem? So this can be a problem of the PDF. When you start to select text, you see? When you start to select text, it goes to the left. What I'm doing? So basically, so what ATSs do is this. So this we are using one of the most advanced ATSs of the CV parsers of the market, okay? So what I did was to load your CV, okay? So it took the first and second experience, and then it got lost, okay?
Okay.
And why did it get lost? Because when I convert your PDF or Word document to text, it will, because it's 2 columns, the system, by selecting the text, it starts to mix the education, qualification, languages, and then with the experience. You see what's happening? So if I select Control T, I copy and I'll put in a Notepad. So when you'll apply for a job, the ATS will think that you only have 2 years of experience, even if you have 11, which is quite bad.
I agree. Totally agree.
So basically, I just copy your CV here. So see, everything is perfect. Okay, so the skills, the personal statement, the work experience, and then from the work experience, it goes to education.
Okay.
And then from education, it goes to qualifications, and then restarts your professional experience. So basically, if I do this, just for you to see, so sometimes people do not understand how a CV parser works. So it's quite good to have a big picture. Okay, so then if I put like this, okay, so you have then education. So like this, all the professional experience is okay. I'll save this. And so you put here, and now I go back to student CV. I'll create a new profile based on a Word document. So this is usually many times then like the big problem of the recruiters and the consulting companies, because they cannot really select the text from your CV and they lose a lot of time. So that's to prepare or to format your CV in their own template. Okay, so just by doing that change, taking the text, putting on a notepad and correcting the template, so then now your CV will be much more parsable. And okay, so you're looking for a remote job only. See? Now, perfect now, CV parsing. Okay, so just that small tweak of putting the things on the right order, because you're using 2-column CV, make all the difference for the parsing. Look at this. So now your career started 2011. You have 12 years of experience. It has found 38 skills. So that you are working in Java for 10 years already, Scrum 6, okay? So in this way, the companies can do a much better assessment of you automatically. So AI technology can do a much better assessment.